Hello there, you beautiful people, and welcome to the logic section of the Python Bible. It's very rare in programming that there's just one route for a program to take. Usually there's quite a few possibilities, and you need to do something different in each of the cases. Now this is where logic comes in. Logic is basically the key to building any clever program or anything really cool, and it allows your program what to choose when. So in this lecture, I'm going to give you an overview of this section of the course and tell you what you should be expecting to learn. And by the end of the lecture, you'll know where we're going next, and you should be suitably convinced that this section of the course is really going to be a game changer in your ability to program in Python. So let's get into it. We're going to start off by taking a look at the Boolean data type in Python. Booleans are the basic of all logic and are the building blocks for every logic system we ever want to build, so that's a pretty good place to start. You'll then learn what Booleans are and how to create them. Once we know what the little building blocks are, we're going to move on to some operators that we can use to build logic. These are called conditional operators. These conditional operators will allow us to do things like check if two numbers are equal to each other, or bigger than each other, and things like that. You're going to learn what conditional operators are, how to use them, and what they're for. After that, we're going to learn about a critical piece of the Python programming language that it has been absolute agony to hide from you up until now, and not knowing about them has really limited what we can do, even though we still made some awesome things. And what I'm talking about are if-else statements. These are how we build logic structures in Python, and it basically lets us do one thing in a certain case, and if that case isn't appropriate, we can do something else. So that's going to be a critical lecture. Then you're going to learn about special keywords such as not, or, and well, and that will make your logic more readable, more controllable, and more powerful. We'll also learn about something called the in keyword. So this is a super useful keyword in Python that basically makes it possible to check whether something is in something else. So clearly, we have got a lot to learn about in this section, but I promise you, your Python programming skills will be absolutely supercharged by learning and understanding this section on logic. It's almost impossible to think of a program that doesn't use logic in the real world, so understanding this section is absolutely critical to being a top-notch Python programmer. So hopefully you're suitably excited and committed to learning all about logic in Python, and in the next lecture, we're going to kick off by learning about Booleans, which are logic's building blocks. So I'll see you in the next video.